Hello students, this video is for class 7 and this video is consisting the topic that is blood vessels. How these blood vessels are arranged in our body, that I am going to make you understand with the help of this video. So what we are going to know? We are going to know about blood vessels and how these blood vessels are arranged in our body. We know well there is an artery which comes out from the heart, and this is the biggest artery. And what it is known as? It is known as aorta. इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? इसे हम aorta कहते हैं. This aorta comes out from the heart and gets divided into three parts. It gets divided into three parts. What about these three parts? These three parts are actually arteries. These are arteries. Means aorta divides into arteries, and then the same artery gets divided into arterioles. अब यही arteries जो है ये बहुत सारे arterioles में divide हो जाते हैं. मैंने आपसे अभी तुरंत कहा this aorta gets divided into arteries and this arteries gets divided into arterioles. That is what? Arterioles. And finally these arterioles once again gets divided into so many capillaries. What are these all? These all are capillaries. Now the question is कि क्यों आयोटा का डिवाइड होना क्यों ज़रूरी है? ये आयोटा भी चाहे तो अपने प्योर ब्लड को सारे सेल्स को दे सकता है, but actually multicellular animals are made up of so many cells. We have lots of cells, millions of cells. हम millions of cells के बने हुए हैं, and each and every cell does its function and its structure. To maintain the structure they work individually. हर cell individually work करता है. It means what? It means every cell needs energy for performing its function and maintaining its structure. So this energy can only be provided by the blood. That is to be given to each and every cell, because ये जो blood है इनमें nutrients होता है and oxygen होता है जो कि हर cell के लिए ज़रूरी है. As we need food to function, cells need food to function. So if aorta will give the blood to each and every cell, it takes lots of time. अगर एक aorta जाके सारे cells को blood देगा तो बहुत time लग जाएंगे. So to do the work in a very less period of time, and as this is continuous process, this aorta is divided into arteries into arterioles, and arterioles into capillaries, and each and every capillaries goes to cells. Now these capillaries are going to cell, every cell. अब ये capillaries जो है वो सारे cells में चला गया. Yes, what I told you that capillaries, each and every capillaries goes to the cell. Each and every cell means cells are surrounded by the capillaries. And what does they provide? They provide nutrients, means you can say food, at the same time oxygen. And these two substances are very much essential for any cell. So right at the time of providing nutrients and food, what does it takes? ये ही कैपिलरीज जो हैं वो इनसे क्या ले लेते हैं? They take CO2. What do they take? They take CO2 from the cells. This CO2 is not good for the cell. It is a poisonous gas. So that is needed to be eliminated out. तो ये CO2 गैस वापस कहाँ चला जाता है? कैपिलरीज में. But now the capillaries are consisting impure blood. Now what they have taken? They have taken impure blood from the cells. So now they are known as veinlets. अब हम इन्हें क्या कहते हैं? अब हम इन्हें veinlets कहते हैं. because it has impure blood, and we know well that veins have impure blood and arteries have pure blood. So now this capillaries is converted into, all the capillaries are converted into veinlets, and now this veinlet will get open into vein. These veinlets will get open into veins. What are these? These are, sorry, I am showing you with the another color. See, now these are veins. अब ये वेन्स में ओपन हो जाते हैं, एंड फाइनली दीज वेन्स गेट्स ओपन इनटू वेना केवा. देयर आर two major vena cavas are there, and what it is known as? It is known as superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. Two vena cavas are there in our body. Inferior comes from the lower part of the body and superior comes from the upper part of the body. They collect impure blood from the veins and they come, and once again they gets open into the heart. Where do they get open? They get open into the heart. From where this aorta has arisen? It has also arisen from the heart, but it has arisen from the left part of the heart. And vena cavas, they go and open into right part of the heart. So this is all about the arrangements of blood vessels in our body. So if I tell you to make the flow chart of this, it is very easy to make. How we will make this flow chart? First of all, we will write heart, that is left part of the heart. What is arised? Aorta. क्या बना? Aorta. This aorta gets divided into arteries, and then arteries are wait, let me just rub this part. These arteries are divided into arterioles. ये arterioles में convert हो गए, and then it is divided into capillaries. Now the same capillaries will become veinlets, and these veinlets will get open into veins. This vein will get open into vena cavas, and the vena cavas will get open into the heart. Which part of the heart? Right part of the heart. This is what the flow chart. From heart it had started and it is getting over in the heart. So this is all pure. The blue color I am showing you with the pure blood, and these all are impure blood. So I hope you people have understood it well, how these blood vessels are arranged in our body. Wait for the next video. Don't forget to like, write, comment and subscribe this channel. Thank you all of you.